Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, iPod adapter, premium sound system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2018 Rogue. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, steel wheels. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.